Okay, now you can see. So cash account is over, bank account is over, capital account is over. So I am making it as sales account.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I am clearing them. It's also I am clearing. So now you see first, see sales. For us, first time sales appeared on the 4th date.
Yes, sir.
Cash account data to sales account. So sales account is credited by what account? Cash account.
Cash account.
So what you have to mention? By cash account. On the credit side, you have to mention. So by cash account. See, this is 4th date. What is the amount?
50,000.
Huh? That is 10,000. Let's check properly.
10,000, sir. 10,000.
Again, sales did not appear anywhere. Okay. So sales you cannot see anywhere. Now you see what you have to do is I mentioned no. Which side is more? That side you have to make total first. Left side zero amount is there. So right side only I have tallied first. So this month's last date you mentioned 31st January. To what I mentioned, balance carried down. So what is the balance here? 10,000. Total balance is there. Okay. Here zero amount is there. So that is why now. So next month starting date we have to mention. So by balance brought down. So total 10,000 rupees balance. Means sales worth 10,000 took place in our organization during the month of January. It means.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you noted down?
Noted, sir.
Okay. So sales is over. Next last account that we have is purchases.
Purchases.
Okay. So I am clearing it. What we have to mention is purchases. Account. Now you see, journal entry is on 5th date you can identify, you can see purchases account
Yes,
data,
sir.
cash account. So purchases account is debited by cash account. So purchases account data to 5th date, first you mention date to cash account. So what is the amount?
6,000.
6,000 rupees. So again, there is no transaction regarding purchases. Only 6,000 is there. That 6,000 you have to mention. So same 6,000 this side also I am taking. So by this is the balance. Balance carried down. You are going to carry it to next month. So this is this month's last date. You have to mention. Okay. So like this, you have to mention. I told. Opposite side, you have to take it. I mentioned. So balance, we have, if we have mentioned it on a credit side, means on debit side you are going to bring it down. If
Yes.
balance done here means on credit side you are going to show it balance brought down.
Yes,
If
sir.
balance down is on a credit side, balance brought down will be on the debit side. If balance carried down is on the debit side, balance carried down. If the balance carried down is on the debit side, balance brought down will be on the credit
Credit
side.
side.
Okay. So next month starting date 1st February to balance brought down. 6,000 rupees you are going to mention. So like this. So like this, you have to do.
Yes, sir.
What journal means. Okay. Now
Okay,
you
sir.
can. Now I will tell you in journal entries we have written ledger folio number, and again in ledger accounts we have mentioned journal folio number. What is it? I will explain now. Okay, folio means I mentioned page.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Now let us take for example. Can you see me?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able? This page also are you able to see in my in my hands?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you see this is, let us take for example, this is the ledger book. Let us take for example. Okay. So another one, this book also I brought. This is, let us take, this is business statistics book. But for our understanding, I mentioned it as journal book. Let us take for example. This is a journal entries book. This is ledger, means accounts book. Okay, ledger book this is. Now you see, let us take for example. I have mentioned certain journal entries in this book. Let us take for example. Okay, see whatever journal entries that we mentioned, I have written in the page number. Let us take for example. Are you able to see this page number 25 is there? A25.
Yes, sir.
On 25th page, I have written these journal entries. I mentioned journal entries will be written in chronological order. I mentioned serially, date wise you are going to mention. That is known as chronological order. So on 25th page, all these journal entries I mentioned. Okay. Now I am keeping it aside. See, all these 5 journal entries I have written on the 25th page in journal entries book.
Okay, sir.
I brought forward this ledger book. Okay, this page number is not given. This is first page. Let us take for example. This is automatically second page. Okay, this is automatic. This you can see here. Third page is given.
Yes, sir.
Third page. This you can see. This is fourth page.
Yes, sir.
You can see it is fifth page.
Fifth page.
Now let us take for example. In the first page, I have mentioned cash account. Total this page I have shown cash account.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you see in the ledger folio number, see I am showing cash account versus first transaction, first journal entry. What you mentioned? Cash account debtor to capital account you mentioned. Against cash account, you have to mention the in a ledger book in which page you are mentioning this cash account. You have to mention here. So I mentioned I told no in the first page I am showing cash. So ledger number 1 I will allot for cash account. Did you understand?
Understood, sir.
Okay, next. 2 capital accounts. So capital account I am mentioning on the second page. Let us take for example. Okay. So versus capital account page number 2 I have to mention.
Okay, sir.
Bank account I will mention. Let us take for example in page number 3. Okay. So cash
Okay,
account already mentioned here, page number 1. If any doubt is there, I can directly open page number 1 regarding cash.
Okay, sir.
So again, cash account, I have to mention page number 1.
1.
Bank account in the third page, I have mentioned. See. Cash account number 1. Sales account up to 3 pages are over. 4th page, sales account I will. Okay. 5th page, I will mention it. Purchases account, I will mention in the 5th page. Okay. So that is why we will keep that column as empty. In pro forma, it will be there, but we are not maintaining 2 registers in our notes. Just for our understanding, we are writing. So we will keep this column as empty. Now come to ledger accounts. See here, I will mention. See all these transactions in which journal entries book, which page I mentioned. I told 25th page. I have taken. I told you.
Yes, sir.
So every I will mention 25th page. Means if at all any doubt is there, means I can open 25th page. Did you understand?
Understood, sir.
So that is why these columns will be mentioned, but you will keep it as empty. Folio means page number. For our cross check, let us take for example, in a speedness, what I did is here only 200 I have taken. There will be some difference. The banker will question us, the customer will question us. So where we have made a mistake, you can immediately check page number 25. In I mentioned journal entries book. Journal is the book of primary entry I mentioned. First time you are going to record the transaction in journal book. So if at all any doubt is there, immediately you can refer 25th page of the journal entries book.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the usefulness of that. Did you understand?
Understood, sir.
So whatever problems that 2 or 3 problems I have given you earlier, for all those we have done up to certain level in ledger accounts. You finish them.
Yes,
Means balance carried down, balance brought down. You finish them, you share to me. I will verify. Okay. That is your homework.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I am ending. Did you understand or is there any doubt?
No, sir. Understood.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. I am ending. We will meet in the next class.
Okay, sir.